The Overlord. Allied. A special mission to interrupt the regime's communication network is in the works. This has created a temporary alliance between factions. Help your enemy build up their allies. Feels good to be nice for a change. Not really. So, what does Allied do? During each turn during the round, the player whose turn it is will draw one additional community card for every card placed in either ally's row during that turn. Drawn cards placed into the allies do not trigger more draws, so it's not a forever loop and you get all the community cards. So essentially, let's just say that this was my starting card, and I moved +1, +2, +3, and then I moved -1, -2, -3. In this case, I would have 4 new cards that I draw, but only to my allies, because I did place 4 allies. So I would say 1, 2, 3, and 4, because I got them in the allies. So that's a really nice move, that particular setup. But this also counts for faction cards or any other time allies appear during your turn. So it's not just on moves, it's for anything that goes into the allies during that turn.